Here I have Microsoft Surface Pro 2017, and let me show you how to set up a password on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's choose Windows settings right here. Choose Windows settings icon. Here we've got some settings. Let's choose accounts. Choose sign in options right here. And as you can see, you can choose a password. Let's choose add a password. Let's create some password. So you can type in by using your keyboard. Let me just choose 1234 for example. Let's re-enter a password 1234. You have to choose password hints. Let me choose numbers for example, and let's tap next. Let's finish. And now you've got the password. You can change the password. You can also add pin or picture password. It only depends on you, or you can set up a face recognition. But if you would like to use your password, you need to log your device, and if you restart your device, the device will ask you for a password. Let me show you. Let's choose restart. Let's unlock the screen, and as you can see, you have to enter a password. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. You just add the password protection.